Hello students, today we will learn about the shapes. We will learn about the shapes, different types of shapes. आज हम shapes के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. First shape we are going to learn is a circle. What is this? This is a circle. Okay, what is this? This is a circle. I have a flashcard for you. See. This is a circle. What is this? This is a shape of a circle. यह एक circle का shape है. Okay, what is it? It is a circle. Okay. What shape is it? ये कौन सा shape है? It is a circle. Now see here. I have a disc which is also circle shaped. अब मेरे पास एक disc है. उसका आकार भी कैसे लग रहा है आपको? सर्कल. ओके. नाउ हियर इज another example. Here I have a ring. What is the shape of the ring? It's also a circle. Okay. आप लोग बताइए अब आपको और सर्कल क्या क्या पता है? किस किस का शेप सर्कल होता है? यस, कॉइन का, रियली, और आपकी मम्मी की रोटी का. वेरी गुड. नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट शेप दैट इज स्क्वेयर. द नेक्स्ट शेप स्क्वेयर. नाउ हियर आई हैव अ बुक विच इज स्क्वेयर इन शेप. दिस बुक इज स्क्वेयर इन शेप. आई हैव अ फ्लैश कार्ड फॉर यू. सी. दिस इज अ स्क्वेयर शेप. This is a square shape. और कहाँ कहाँ आपको squares दिखते हैं? Square shape? Yes. Hanky है ना? Good. आपके मम्मा का hanky, पापा का hanky square shape में होता है. और कहाँ आपके मैथ्स की जो कॉपी आप नंबर्स लिखते हो उसमें भी बॉक्सेस बने होते हैं ना? वो बॉक्सेस भी क्या होते हैं? स्क्वायर होते हैं. ओके. नाउ द थर्ड शेप इज रेक्टेंगल. The third shape is rectangle. We can draw rectangle like this also and like this also. Okay, both are rectangles. Okay. Which shape is this? It's a rectangle. And it is also a rectangle. I have an example for you. See, I have a duster. Okay. This duster is also having a rectangular shape. इस डस्टर का शेप भी कैसा है? रेक्टेंगुलर है. I have a flashcard also. See. What is its shape? It's a rectangle. Correct. It's a rectangle. I have something here. See. What is it? It's an envelope. This envelope is also in a rectangular shape. Okay. This envelope is also in rectangular shape. Now we will see the next shape. The fourth shape is oval. Which one? Oval. This is the oval shape. Okay. This is the oval shape. Now can you tell me where can we see oval shape? हम कहाँ देखते हैं oval shape? Yes, good. Egg. Egg is oval shaped. Correct. Here I have a flashcard. And what is it? It's an egg. And what is the shape of this egg? It's oval shape. Okay. The shape of the egg is oval. Okay. Now I have another thing for you. What is this? This is a racket. ये क्या है? Racket है. इससे आप क्या खेलते हैं? बैडमिंटन. Okay. Now see. You can see its shape. See carefully. What is the shape of this racket? It's oval shape. Correct. Now we will see the next shape, that is diamond. Here I have drawn the shape of diamond. And this shape we can see in kite. हमारी जो kite होती है ना, वो होती है diamond shaped. Okay, diamond. Now we will see the next shape, that is triangle. Here I have drawn the figure of triangle. This is a triangle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. आपको कुछ याद आ रहा है ट्रायंगल से? मुझे तो आ रहा है. क्या याद आ रहा है? समोसा. Very good. Now here is a flashcard. This is a triangle. Okay? What is this? This is a triangle. Let's have a look of shapes we have learnt. जो हमने shapes देखे उसको एक बार revise करते हैं. Tell which shape is this? Yes, it's a circle. Good. It's a square. It's a rectangle. It's an oval. It's a diamond. And it's a triangle. Okay. Repeat after me. Circle, square, rectangle, oval, diamond and triangle. Very good.